Messi makes the run. It's fed through. It's Lionel Messi!
Welcome back to the channel. Birdbeak here. And today we're gonna give you some more short and spicy updates about Lionel Messi being in Jamaica. So stay tuned. With that being said, now let's get into the video. Inter Miami beats Cavalier by 2-0. Here are the stats on your screen. You can pause the video and check the match stats for yourself. But with that being said, let's keep on going further into the video. A pitch invader was thwarted in his efforts to invade the pitch and approach Messi. Take a look. Yo, the stadium packed. The stadium is very packed. You see me inside and out. Everybody wants to see and hear Messi. Here we can see Messi making his way to the pitch. Now the crowd is getting excited because he is the man of the moment and he's what everyone wants to see.
Looks like Sergio Busquets is coming off as well. And Yannick Bright also makes his way on. Well, you know...
Bird Nation, here's the moment that you have been waiting for. Messi's goal against Jamaica. Stay tuned and find out.
Last moments of the match now. Morales. Messi makes the run. It's fed through. It's Lionel Messi! The King of Kingston. He gives this sold-out National Stadium crowd a moment to remember and ices it for Inter Miami. Could he do it on a warm, muggy night in Jamaica? You bet.
What a moment here. We've talked about it throughout the night, the environment, the atmosphere. This stadium has been electric throughout this entire match. And the volume in here is only multiplied with the introduction of Lionel Messi.
Could he do it on a warm, muggy night in Jamaica? You bet.
What a moment here. We've talked about it throughout the night, the environment, the atmosphere. This stadium has been electric throughout this entire match. And the volume in here is only multiplied with the introduction of Lionel Messi. And now,
Here's a clip of the Jamaicans in the stadium reacting to the goal that Messi just scored. That was a pretty strong reaction. Please share your thoughts on that down in the comment section below. And now, after the match has finally ended, Messi makes his exit. Like how Messi I make film exit a time now for me make mine. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing and like the video. With that being said, Bird Nation, stay sharp.